This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Barry Taylor. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo has the freshly remodeled kitchen you've been looking for. Plenty of counter and cabinet space in the kitchen for the gourmet chef in the family. New roof and sliding glass doors as well. Enjoy the community amenities, such as the luxurious pool, outdoor barbecue, workout room and putting green. Walk to the Viera shops, restaurants and the movies with a private walkway. Close to the Brevard Zoo, Viera Stadium and great golf courses nearby. Don't let this one slip away. Could also be a great investment. For more information or a showing, call Barry Taylor 321-795-7074 for more information. Review the details below or contact Barry Taylor at 321-795-7074.